Daniel Solomon threatening another officer's life.
Heaven forbid I stop this coworker of mine from murdering an innocent person, and somehow it explodes in my face. Wow, that's a really good reason. I'm really impressed with that, Deputy Stewart. If there was a heaven, and if it forbid anything, it would be your blood running in the streets, not your victims.
Oh.
So, I think.
Oh God! Wow. Does this guy ever stop threatening to kill cops? Jesus, timestamp this motherfucker. Jesus. Fucking idiot. Just constantly uses YouTube to threaten to kill police officers.
Could save that bullshit about heaven forbid. Apparently there's no such thing.
Oh, you just know your way around how to threaten, right? Well, eventually it's gonna fucking catch up with you, Daniel Solomon. Tom Zebra hates Asians.
Please don't interfere with my investigation. Just to be safe, why don't we go ahead and search your trunk while we're here, huh? I don't know who this Asian cop is or who he thinks he is with his big mouth talking about interfering with this investigation. Is that what this is? Since when did an illegal search become an investigation? My First Amendment right trumps his nonsense barking about his investigation. It's funny when you ever come to downtown LA with Ricky Monday.
That's why you got everybody
the cops we come across are rude, disrespectful. Rude, disrespectful.
You got everybody
the cops we come across are rude, disrespectful. How do you think it's going, officer? You just falsely cited him. I don't think he's in a very good mood with you. And clearly, you're not friends with him, so quit playing the act, smart-ass officer Kim.
Oh.
It's all fun and games when you're making a salary that you don't deserve off our dime.
Your dime? You don't pay taxes, bitch. You've said it a number of times.
So this Asian cop just thinks he's having a great old time writing false citations, harassing people.
Wow. You're a delusional egomaniac racist towards Asian Americans.
You know, for someone that makes videos like I've been making, like Laura's been making,
since
for us to
2013,
approach these guys repeatedly, you know, supposedly anybody that has half a brain, they wear bulletproof vests and they cry in the media constantly about how they're being threatened with death and violence from these deputies.
And cut to.
You don't ever hear that shit from Laura and I. They don't understand. The day that I break them back is going to be the day that they never fucking forget. They will never forget the day that I break them back. And I'm not talking about no lawsuit. I'm talking about the day that your family goes to your fucking funeral and everybody's like, oh my God, it couldn't have happened. He's so sweet. He's so good. We love him so much. Yeah, that's the day that the guy gets what he deserves. Hear that crowbar hitting?
He doesn't threaten anybody.
People. I just want to talk to the
nah,
sheriff.
there's no reason for him those sheriff to be upset or to be worried about
his presence.
The
sheriff department guys right here are murderers. I don't know if you know that.
Oh, you just gonna walk up on the scene?
Well, maybe I'll go that way. Don't tell me what to do.
Oh.
Yeah, I ain't gonna stay right here. I'll go either way.
Wow, you just walking through their scene like a bitch midget.
I've been looking for you guys.
Yeah, you hunt them like Pokemon.
You don't like this spot and I can't use that chair? You want me to go in the car I can't see you? Is it okay if I just say hello to you guys?
He's drunk. He's drunk. Arrest him.
Yeah,
he's on drugs. Arrest him.
Especially you, Kim. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. Groves, Walker, you guys have a good night.
Oh, he collects their names like Pokemons. Okay, Dora the bicycle frauditor.
Those are literally the murderers right there.
Yeah, you said you would murder them. You're absolutely right. There's the murderer right there, Daniel Solomon.
What is it? The public defender's office is now sending me text messages. They're expecting me to, to take the day off of recording criminal cops. And I'm supposed to locate certain videos, make a copy of it, either email or deliver it to them so they can defend their innocent...
You think that's what's happening?
What would I call them? The victims
it's much bigger than that.
Police abuse. Remember Officer Lee? Officer Lee arrested Ray Garcia, a
Oh.
senior citizen that's been a homeowner in Inglewood for
He arrested
decades.
you for jaywalking.
I actually know what happened. I just barely got here. All right. And of course, the police car blocks. He parks in the only open lane. There is no crosswalk. Would you shut the fuck up and let me do my job? Am I interfering with yours? Okay, then we're done with the conversation.
Walk across here, you're gonna be detained.
Oh, am I?
Yep.
You know what the fuck jaywalking is? Go ahead and detain me. This is not jaywalking. You guys got the street blocked off anyways.
By the car. Come here.
Okay, you want to write me a ticket? Go ahead. Go ahead, write me a ticket. You don't have to take my shit to write me a
Put it
ticket.
down. Put it down.
Why? If you're writing me a ticket, you have to twist my arm and take my camera
Put
too?
it down. We're gonna handcuff you. You're being detained.
For what? For what? The street is fucking blocked and it's not jaywalking. My hands are together, asshole. My hands are interlocked. What the fuck do you want?
There's a crosswalk up there.
No, right there's a street with no crosswalk. This is not jaywalking. Fuck you guys. Who's resisting? My hands are interlocked behind my back. But yeah, so the whole reason I stopped here, this is where fucking dipshit Lee had to open his big fucking mouth after I'd been getting along with this agency for so many years. Not for any valid reason, because he wanted to tell me, if you cross the street, you'll be arrested, right? So I told him what he needed to hear. I told him to shut the fuck up. Shut your fucking mouth, stupid gook, something like that. I stood all the way over there, and I stayed over there. And when I proceeded to my bicycle to leave, the Chinaman started shouting threats about arresting me if I crossed the street. But my bike was on this side of the street.
Wah, wah.
Together right, because I only get to publish this video once. And let's cut the bullshit. I've been recording the police for 20 fucking years. Every single
8
time.
years.
When there's other photographers,
Liar,
I'm always
liar.
the guy that's 25 yards behind everybody else. I'm the one that stands on the center divider because I'm not trying to talk to you stupid fucks. I will talk to you, you can talk to me, but I want it to be polite. I'm not over there trying to say something about your mask or I'm not trying to insult you fucks anymore unless you're somebody that's been arresting me repeatedly.
Stop breaking the law, asshole!
I'm trying to give you your space. I'm trying to take my
Bipolar.
space, and I'm trying to document what you're doing.
You're trying
if
to
you're
train
shouting
them.
at me while I'm on the center divider, you're the dumbest Chinaman I ever met.
Ooh.
And anybody that backs him up, like a
Oh.
sergeant, all you dumb fuckers.
Ooh.
I mean,
He's
what do
a
you guys
racist.
think you're gonna do to me? Arrest me and I'm gonna stop,
They did arrest you
right?
because you like
You know,
fingers
you
in
guys
your
think
butt.
you pull into your hybrid cars with your tinted windows and your California exempt plates, and I'm not gonna recognize you?
Wow, you're a fucking weirdo.
What are you guys, what the fuck are you guys gonna do? You are never, ever gonna get rid of me unless you lie to me. And we've been through this. You're polite to me, I find another fucking agency. Did you guys not notice that?
That you recorded
Well,
like a
apparently the Public
dumbass.
Defender's Office is not capable of getting their innocent defendants out from under these criminal charges, which is probably no fault of their own.
Oh, be careful about what you say there.
It's the damn
Bitch midget.
prosecutors who don't care if you're innocent or guilty. Even if you're innocent, they
You
still
recorded your own crime,
want you to plead to some
dumbass.
charge that you're not guilty of. Fucking pisses me off.
Yeah, does it? Good, because you're a dumbass. It should piss you off. Just pay your fucking fine, you
So,
dumb
like, I'm
shit,
supposed to
you
take
broke
The
bitch.
day off from recording murderers, I'm talking about the sheriff department.
A day
I'm
off.
supposed to take
This
the
is your
day
job to
off
harass
from
people
doing
with
that, and
jobs.
instead dedicate my day
7 years you've been
to proving
jobless.
that the cowards from the Inglewood Police Department, their so-called gang enforcement unit, that those are just a bunch of fucking losers that have nothing better to do than
Yeah,
frame.
You're a fucking
Innocent
gang
senior citizens.
member. You're a Sovcit frauditor. You're a gang member.
You see the irony in all that?
Yeah,
Why aren't the
I
Inglewood
hope
gang
people
units-
see the irony. I really do.
I could just, if
Your
I'm
own
removed
fans
from the
are dumb
situation,
as
why do I
shit.
even have to be involved in any of this? The Inglewood gang units should handle the gang violence, which is the sheriff deputies.
Yeah, you're tweaking.
I mean,
Hearing that
instead of
paranoid
targeting
Sovcit
innocent people in the
bullshit.
community, why don't they target the fucking criminals?
I don't know. Why don't they? I don't know. Like you, like with the warrants, all your warrants.
Instead, that's my job, and then plus I have to try to get all the innocent
job?
people off that the Inglewood
It's
cops arrest while they're busy ignoring the real crime and the real criminals. I don't even know if you can
The
follow
real
that
crime and the
ridiculous
real
story.
criminals,
Does that
like
make sense?
Tom
How
Zero.
fucking stupid it is out here. Pair of dykes, and I'm not referring to Officer Melanie Newenham and Officer Renee Descant. When I say a pair of dykes, I'm talking about the kind you cut metal with. Years. And that was pretty much
10, 12. Now I thought it
one
was
of
20.
the messages that he was kept giving to me towards the end of our relationship. He's like, Daniel, you're gonna have to learn to tell these people no, because I guess I never did. But also he told me you have to get a job, you have to quit recording the police. You know, we were like this, right? But he had all these wishes for me that just were not gonna happen. Sorry, I'm not gonna quit recording the police. Sorry, I'm not gonna get a job. And honestly, I don't give two fucks what the jurors think about me. He was always concerned the jurors are not gonna identify with the guy who rides his bicycle around recording the police all day. And I'm like, tough shit. Who fucking cares? Is it my problem if they don't identify with me? I mean, maybe I don't identify with them. You're not going to tell them to quit their jobs and start riding their bikes recording the police, are you?
Okay.
Right? Look, Devlin just took the fuck off, so it's just me and my guy here. If I would have brought my tandem, I would have just told him to get on the back, but I have a feeling that might not have worked out too well either. Let's see. I wish I had the balls to do what you all do.